Good morning and welcome to day number 3 of our Disney Wonder cruise from Brisbane to Sydney. As you can see, we are in Sydney. We've just arrived about 10 minutes ago or so. Melissa and I, we got up at sort of 4:45, I think it was, 4:45, to watch the ship come through past the rocks, all that sort of stuff. And we are finally in Sydney after a sea day yesterday. Weather is sounding like it's going to be awesome. Again, a little bit overcast this morning, but it's going to be pretty good overall. Not too hot, not too cold. Absolutely perfect for us. But how good is that view behind me? Anyway, not many videos probably going to come through today, but a shorter one, purely because we're going to go to the zoo, just check out and just kind of chill for a little bit as well. But Pirates of the Caribbean tonight's a pirate night. Different menu, so we're back at Tiana's place, but a different menu there for it. And then from there, we'll be able to go upstairs at about 10:30, I think, again tonight for the Pirates deck party, more fireworks, all that sort of stuff. Still plenty to do, but yeah, we're pretty excited for the zoo in particular. Just getting off in Sydney and just kind of chilling. So we'll check back in later on and we'll see you soon. Breakfast down at Cabanas. Max has his Mickey waffle. Alright, Max, what are you doing, bud?
Chillaxing.
Chillaxing? Yeah, where are we?
We're on the Disney cruise ship.
Yeah, and whereabouts is the Disney cruise ship taking us?
Sydney. Well, I wouldn't
Sydney.
say they're taking us. We're already there.
We're already there? Alright, well, let's keep going, go to the zoo, hey?
Yeah.
Alright, see you later. Look at that view.
And a giant rocket ship.
And there's the Wonder. What have you got, Max?
Ice cream.
What flavour did you get?
I got chocolate and vanilla.
Oh yeah, mixed together. That's pretty
we
cool.
got it from ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah. So, yep. Mango, chocolate, vanilla. Well, then you can get it mixed together as well. Alright, so it's pirate night and we've come back to find some pirate bandanas on our bed. Max already is wearing his, but nice little free gift they include for everyone on pirate night aboard the ship. So it's pirate night and we've got the Pirates of the Caribbean menu.
Arr!
So we're back. Max is in his little pirate outfit as well. We're back in Tiana's place again though tonight, but obviously it's a little bit darker and everyone's all wearing their pirate outfits as well. There we are. So let's have a bit of a look at the menu once again. Open it up. Oh, there we are, a little bit harder to open up, but you get your specialty cocktails as always up the top, your appetizers down there. There we are, soups and salad, your bread service, and moving back up again, your main course there. Some vegetarian, always got a line of the note offering as well. Mr. Max, how's your skewers? There we go, it's a little bit dark, but I got the strip loin with the Yorkshire pudding, and there's the lamb shanks as well. We can try and get a bit of light on it that way. There we are. Now here's the dessert menu as well for Pirate Night. There we go, there's the main dessert part there. Caramel macadamia nut cheesecake tart. That's a mouthful, that one. There we go. Alright Max, tell everyone what you got.
A brownie.
Yeah.
With ice cream.
Yep.
And sauce.
And sauce. What sauce is that?
It's chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate sauce.
Let's dig in, shall we?
And then I can't remember what sundae I got, but I got a sundae.
Caramel sundae.
It's not a caramel sundae. A pineapple sundae, I think it was. Pineapple coconut, there we go. But all I really wanted was the chocolate piece on top, to be completely honest. And then Melissa got a tart as well. Yeah, it's a caramel macadamia one. There we go. And we've come back from dinner and just kind of chilling, and we've got Davy Jones as our, I guess, not so much a towel, more of a throw thing I think, but Davy Jones is our little towel animal tonight. Being Pirate Night, very fitting for it, and chocolates for the eyes. Time for us to leave Sydney Harbour now. After an extremely packed day, now got a view of the other side as we leave, 2 tugboats escorting us as well. Every ship has its main statue icon, I guess. And obviously this one is Ariel. Well, that is the end
Of day 3.
Day 3, yes. And unfortunately, that means tomorrow is our last full day on the cruise.
Aww.
This is going to be night 3. Tomorrow night's night 4, and then we get off the ship on Friday morning. So currently Wednesday night at the moment. But what a fantastic day it is. A lot of walking. I just checked my phone. We did almost 23,000 steps today. Not all around the ship. We're not going stir crazy. We got off in Sydney, as you guys probably know. We went to Taronga Zoo, walked up and down. If anyone's been there before, you guys know there's all uphill and stairs and downhill. It's crazy. So tons of walking everywhere there. We then caught the ferry from there back to Circular Quay, then back across over to Luna Park. We walked through Luna Park as well, somewhere I've wanted to go forever. Didn't do anything really there, but got to at least see what was going on as well with Luna Park, which was really cool.
And we saw the massive drop tower.
Yes, they had a big
and
drop tower.
everything you said was correct.
What's that?
Like everything.
Ah, yes.
And it's pirate night.
It is pirate night. Unfortunately, we spent about 45 minutes sitting up on the top deck at like our favourite spot to watch the pirate show, which I was hoping to show you guys. Ends in fireworks. The winds, we've left Sydney, the winds, 50 knot winds. Unfortunately, that means no fireworks.
Inside show, no shooting cannons. That would be my favourite part.
Yeah.
When them were bang, fireworks.
So they did an indoor show instead in the main atrium. People raced there. We went upstairs. Someone was nice enough to give us a spot upstairs. Still not. We weren't going to see a thing. It was straight down below. Max could barely see. We weren't going to see anyway. So we decided to come back to our room early, which is still 11 o'clock now.
That's the down part. But the good part is I get to watch Lilo and Stitch for the rest of the movie.
He's been watching
It's
Lilo
the
and Stitch.
movie, not the cartoon.
He's been watching Lilo and Stitch.
And it's great.
But yeah, Pirate Day, Pirate Night was awesome. Lots of characters running around. We got to meet Smee and Hook. And see a heap of other characters walking around. Captain Minnie was out as well. Shame about the pirate show, but they're going to do the fireworks tomorrow night as well. So their second night of fireworks, Forever After Fireworks. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys that one as well. Other than that, it's been an incredibly busy, long day. Because we're heading back into Queensland, the time zone goes back an hour. So after setting our clocks forward an hour the other night and losing a night of sleep, we get an extra night of sleep. So although it's sort of like 11 o'clock, we can kind of count it as 10 p.m. and means we get to sleep. Sleep is what we really need being on the last day of the cruise. We just need to relax, rest. Unfortunately, tomorrow night's when heartbreak sets in and we start to get the little gentle reminders that it's all coming to an end. We've already received our first letter telling us that the cruise is coming to an end. But for now, we've still got one more full day and followed by a good morning. So we'll bring it all to you guys. All right, Max. We've now eaten at Animator's Palette, then Tiana's Place twice. One was Pirate Night, one was normal Tiana's Night. Then we had at Triton's on our first day for lunch, but we'll eat there for dinner. What so far has been your most favourite restaurant out of all of them so far?
Tiana's Place, and I got a pirate hat for free and a trumpet. Dun, 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 dun.
It's not quite a trumpet, but that's okay.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, that's it for tonight. We'll see you guys all for day number 4 on our
Goodbye.
Disney Wonder cruise from Brisbane to Sydney and back.